We want to work on simplifying rational expressions. This video will help you with the quizzes that I assigned on Classroom for you. Okay, so we could start with something like this. And you need to remember that you can't just cancel out anything just because it's the same thing. If anytime you have a minus sign or a anytime I got this minus sign here, I have to, or a plus sign there, I have to just leave that stuff together. So what can I factor out of this guy right here? Well, the common factor is 6, and they both have an m, at least an m squared. And so if I divide by that number, I get this. So remember now, if I distribute this times this and this times this, I would get what I started with. Okay, so now I've got this on the bottom. And now you can notice that the m squareds are going to cancel, and the 6 and the 18 are going to reduce. So I'm going to have m minus 2 over, 3. I could write the 1, but I don't need it. I could put it there if I wanted to. Doesn't really matter. Okay. Now this one here is where we need to use the x. Some of you really like using that. Some of you don't. It doesn't really matter. It's up to you. But I'll put that last term there and the middle term there, and then I think, all right, factors of 10 are 1 and 10 and 2 and 5. 2 and 5 will give me 3. So if I have a negative 5 and a positive 2, that's going to be x minus 5 and x plus 2 on the top. And then if I factor this guy, I got my 8 and my 6. All right, 4 and 2, 1 and 8 and 4 and 2. That's going to give me 6. So I got x plus 4 and x plus 2. So now these two guys cancel out, and this is my answer. Okay. And then there was one more kind that we did, which kind of combined both of those together. If I have something like this here, remember that I can multiply, or I can reduce things, not just top to bottom, but from one side to the other. So I can reduce anything that's on the top over here. I can reduce those two guys or these two guys. Doesn't matter which way it is. So here I can pull out a 6m on this particular guy, which leaves me with m minus 2. So I'm going to cross him out. Now these two, this guy and this guy, have to be factored using the x, right? So I'm going to erase this stuff down here now. Okay. And we're going to factor this guy down here first. I got 8 and negative 6. So I know my signs have to be the same, so it's going to be negative 4 and negative 2. So this is going to be m minus 4 and m minus 2. Now, already this m minus 2 is going to cancel, isn't it? Okay. And then I'm going to do this guy, so negative 8 and negative 2. So that'd be a negative 4 and a positive 2. So I got m minus 4 and m plus 2. I'm going to cross him out. So now this m minus 4 and this m minus 4 will cancel. So now there's nothing left down here. And I can deal with this guy. This guy and this guy can be reduced, can't they? So I'm going to get rid of this so I have some room here to write my answer when I'm all finished. But let's see, the 6 becomes a 1, the 18 becomes a 3. The m reduces, and that will kill that 2, so it's just an m. So everything else is gone, and I got m plus 2 over m. Now remember, I can't cancel out the m's because of this plus sign right here. I have to leave it, okay? So if you have questions, let me know. Try to work on that quiz a little bit, and we'll talk to you later. Good work.